I have a question regarding, your personality. So other day I have seen you gifting bicycles to orphans, and I have seen you have become an brand ambassador to one of the jewelry something. So our first check though, you have done so much through charity. So I just wanted to ask, చాలా మందిని బయట చూస్తుంటాం and it's a usual thing that people say గొప్ప గొప్పవారి కడుపులో గొప్పవారే పుడతారని. So Mahesh Babu Garu and your mom, we have seen doing so much, heart operation, something like that. So Miku, ఇంత చిన్న age లో, no matter your parents being that strong and whatever it is, but నీకు ఎప్పుడు ఆ థాట్ వచ్చింది దట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు హెల్ప్ పీపుల్ అని చెప్పేసి ఎట్ దిస్ ఏజ్ దట్ టు?
Yes. I really wanted to help kids get education because I think it's really important for a kid to have education and books, especially because I love reading.